Tantalizing tastes of the tropics. Dive into plantains. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of Caribbean cuisine: plantains. These starchy delights aren't just about food. They offer a bite into the culture, history, and soul of the Caribbean. So, let's peel back the layers and dig into this delicious topic. Plantains, often mistaken for bananas, are a staple in Caribbean cuisine. Unlike the sweet bananas that many are familiar with, plantains are starchy and aren't typically eaten raw. They resemble large bananas but have a thicker skin, often green or yellow when ripe, turning black when very ripe. They play a role in the Caribbean kitchen similar to how potatoes are used in many Western cuisines. In the Caribbean, plantains are celebrated for their versatility. They can be 1. Boiled, often paired with other boiled ground provisions or stews. 2. Fried, either thinly sliced into chips or cut thick and fried twice to make tostones. 3. Baked, sometimes used in layered casseroles or baked dishes. 4. Mashed, similar to mashed potatoes but with a unique taste and texture. Regardless of the method, they infuse the meal with a rich, earthy flavor that's hard to resist. Plantains aren't just food. They're part of the Caribbean identity. They've been cultivated and enjoyed in the region for centuries. With the intermingling of cultures due to colonization, trade, and migration, plantains have found their way into various dishes, blending flavors and traditions. In festivals, family gatherings, or everyday meals, you'll find plantains taking center stage or playing a supportive role, complementing other flavors. But it's not just about taste. Plantains are a powerhouse of nutrition. They are rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, essential for skin health and immunity. Dietary fiber, helps in digestion. Potassium, important for heart health. While they're energy-dense, they're also nourishing, making them a key part of a balanced diet in many Caribbean households. And there you have it. A whirlwind tour of plantains and their significance in Caribbean cuisine. We hope this bite-sized lesson gives you a taste of the rich culinary traditions of the Caribbean. So, next time you see plantains at a grocery store or on a menu, you'll know the deep cultural and culinary story behind them. Until next time, happy learning and bon appétit!